What's up everybody, Pete here from the Sunday Drive, and today we have a quick video coming at you showing you how to change the belt on your 2016 Subaru WRX, so stay tuned. So this is the belt we're going to be installing today. This is an OEM Subaru belt, and here's the part number below in case you need to know for yourself. We'll have this belt linked in the description below, so you can just click on that and order away. Now this is the original belt. This car has about 110-ish thousand miles on it, and it probably could have kept going, but when we were doing some other work on the car, we had to use a heat torch to get some nuts and bolts out, and this was in the line of the flame. We're very close to it, and we just think it's a good idea to replace it. Now you may notice that it's missing some engine plastics up here. That's because we installed an aftermarket Grimspeed top mount intercooler, and the top plastic doesn't fit anymore, but it's really easy to pop out. There's these two rubber bushings here you can see. Just pop it straight up and you're good to go. And changing the belt on this is very easy to do. Now obviously the first thing you want to do is pay close attention to how the belt is routed. It's pretty simple here. We have a very straight top. It just goes straight across, and the driver's side, it goes straight down, and it goes around the bottom pulley and comes back up, and then it goes over this pulley and then back down over the main crank pulley. Usually you can get pretty far with looking at the pulleys and seeing whether the pulley is smooth or has ridges on it, and that'll pretty much be how the belt should be routed on it. So if you really get lost, which you shouldn't because we have the internet, you can figure it out. But all you're gonna need to do is get a 14mm socket onto this center pulley, and that's actually, this is a tensioner pulley, and you're going to put the socket wrench into the tighten position, and you're going to just move it, and that'll take all of the tension off of this belt. As you can see, once you get it off one of the pulleys, you can let go of the wrench, move that out of the way, and you can start removing the belt. So there you go, there's the old belt. Let's see if we can see any cracking. It actually doesn't look terrible. Now always make sure that you compare the new belt, which is in my left hand, with the old belt, the length, because even if you get the parts through the dealer, you never know. And they are the same length, so we're good to go. Start by fishing the whole belt down to the bottom pulley, then coming up over this smooth pulley. The back of the belt should go over the smooth pulley, and then it went over here like this. Like that. And then it went under. Here. Should be close. All right, so I think I have everything on. It's getting tight. Just go around each pulley and make sure that the belt is centered on the teeth. Right now, I'm currently slightly off on the main pulley. There we go. And that should be good, so let me just double check again. So, centered on the smooth pulley, center on this smooth pulley, and the belt will actually self-align on the smooth pulleys once it starts going. It's really the ones with the teeth that matter the most, but you don't want it slipping off in the start. So I'm going to use a 22mm socket on a 1/2" breaker bar, and get down there with that. Make sure the transmission's in neutral. And I'm gonna turn the main pulley clockwise, just so that I know I'm not gonna accidentally tighten that bolt or loosen that bolt. And give it a couple turns. And the belt looks like it's where it wants to be. So now I'll actually start it. And there you go. That is a newly installed belt on your 2016 Subaru WRX.